Unlocking creativity, exploring design thinking. Welcome to a world where creative thinking and problem solving meet, the world of design thinking. Design thinking isn't just a phrase. It's a revolutionary approach that challenges traditional problem solving methods. At its core, it's about empathizing with the end user. We place people at the heart of the design process. This approach encourages understanding and insight into the user's needs, desires, and experiences. Design thinking isn't just a linear process. It's a dynamic, iterative journey filled with exploration, ideation, and experimentation. Understanding the user is the first crucial step. It involves research, observation, and immersing oneself in the user's world. Insights are gathered through various data collection methods, forming a rich, empathetic understanding. It's about challenging assumptions and reframing problems in human-centric ways. The next phase is defining the problem. It involves synthesizing data and insights to discover patterns and themes. This definition phase requires clarity, focusing on the real issues to address. With a clear understanding of the user, ideation happens. This is the stage where creativity takes flight. Brainstorming sessions, sketching, and model making are just a few methods used for ideation. There are no bad ideas in this phase. The more ideas generated, the higher the chances of finding innovative solutions. Once a multitude of ideas have been developed, it's time to prototype. Prototyping brings ideas to life. It's about creating a tangible representation of the solution. It enables teams to visually and physically explore the functionality and feasibility of their ideas. Testing follows the prototype phase. This is where ideas confront reality. Testing helps refine and evolve the prototypes. Its purpose is to learn, iterate, and improve. Feedback from users at this stage is invaluable in refining the product or service. Design thinking is not about getting it right the first time. It's about trial and error, learning, and improvement. Through each iteration, better solutions emerge, bringing us closer to the ideal solution. The power of design thinking lies in its focus on the user. It's about creating practical, innovative solutions that better meet the needs of people. Design thinking doesn't just lead to better products, but also better processes, systems, and experiences. It empowers businesses to innovate, drive growth, and create a user-centric culture. Embracing design thinking means fostering a culture of innovation and creativity. Design thinking is not just for designers, it's for everyone. Whether you're a business leader, entrepreneur, or educator, design thinking can revolutionize the way you work. It encourages diversity of thought, collaborative effort, and cross-disciplinary integration. Design thinking is a pathway towards creative problem-solving and human-centered innovation. It is a transformative methodology that encourages a fresh perspective on problem-solving. It's about creating a better future, one design at a time. So what is design thinking to you? Is it a tool, a process, or mindset? Perhaps it's a way to empower yourself and others around you. Design thinking is about the courage to challenge the status quo and create meaningful change. It's about taking risks, embracing failure, and celebrating success. Design thinking is the catalyst for innovation and creative brilliance. It's the key to unlocking your full creative potential. Design thinking is the future. It's the heart of human-centric design. Welcome to the world of design thinking. Are you ready to see what you can create?